Good evening. I'm here to try to dispel a lot of misconceptions regarding the AR-15. This is the AR-15. The AR does not stand for assault rifle, as many of the anti-gun groups and their supporters would have everybody believe. It stands for Armalite Rifle. This is not a full auto gun, nor can it be made into a full auto. Well, not easily and not readily. It would cost about $10,000 to get all the permits, background checks, stamps, and parts in order to convert this from semi-auto to full auto. This particular gun is chambered for the 223-556, which, while it is a destructive round, is not the high-powered round that is made out to be. And at this time, I'm going to field strip this to show you all the parts that are in an AR-15. Secondary vertical grip doesn't make it any deadlier, just makes it easier to shoot. It doesn't really make it easier to shoot out from the hip. It makes it easier to hold. Even shooting from the hip with this is still spray fire and very inaccurate. Collapsible stock adds or takes off approximately 4 inches. Not going to make much difference for concealability. I don't have a magazine with me right now, but mine are 30 rounds. And anyone who knows anything about shooting knows it only takes about a second and a half, at most 3 seconds to change one of those out. And now I am going to go on ahead and remove the charging handle and bolt carrier group from this particular gun. This is a full auto bolt carrier group. This does not make the gun a full auto. It merely aids in the cyclic rate in which the gun is fired. Helps it last longer. Makes it smoother. Takes off some of the felt recoil. Nothing more. Now, this is the trigger mechanism, fire mechanism, and hammer for this gun. This is a semi-auto. I know you can't see that well in there. But it has a semi-auto disconnector. In order to make this full auto, you have to take and machine out all of this. Which would take a drill press, carbine bits, and very good knowledge of metalworking to do that. So there you have it. The AR-15 semi-automatic rifle. This merely looks like its military counterpart, but it fires one round at a time. For every time this is pulled, one round is fired. Not 3, not 5, not 10. 1. I see no reason why a civilian who can pass a background check shouldn't be allowed to own this gun.